Every construction project affects traffic. The question is not whether disruptions will occur, it's how well we plan for it. A single lane closure can create delays across an entire corridor, with impacts that ripple through the broader network. If a work zone is not planned carefully, it can confuse drivers, slow traffic, and increase crash risk. That's why effective work zone traffic control is not something we fix after problems appear. It starts with thoughtful planning before construction begins and continues with adjustments as conditions change in the field. It's an easy concept, but it can be difficult to execute. Anticipate issues early, reduce risk up front, and adapt as needed without relying solely on reactions in the field. This is safety by design. This planning-first approach is at the core of the work zone safety and mobility rule. The goal is simple: reduce crashes and minimize congestion caused by work zones. Construction is necessary to maintain and improve our roadways. However, construction should not create unnecessary risk or disruption for the traveling public. To support this, the rule requires agencies to think about work zones' impacts early and often during project planning and design, not just when construction begins. By identifying impacts early, teams can choose the right strategies and include the right resources from the start of the project. Not every work zone is the same. Some small maintenance jobs may only require a simple setup, while larger projects, especially on high-volume roadways, can have much greater impacts on traffic. For projects expected to cause major disruption, the rule classifies them as significant projects. These projects require a higher level of planning and coordination to manage traffic, reduce delays, and improve safety. Planning doesn't stop at implementation. It evolves, using real data to adjust strategies in the field. One central component of the rule is the Transportation Management Plan, or TMP. A TMP organizes work zone strategies into three main areas. First is temporary traffic control, the physical layout of the work zone, including cones, signs, and barriers. Second is transportation operations, which includes strategies to help keep traffic moving, such as signal timing adjustments, traffic monitoring, and incident management. Third is public information, which focuses on communicating with drivers and communities about construction activities and travel impacts. Together, these strategies help work zones operate more safely and smoothly. For engineers, contractors, and agencies, the rule provides a clear path forward. Identify work zone impacts early. Determine whether the project is significant. Develop the appropriate transportation management plan. Coordinate across teams and disciplines. Monitor conditions, and adjust as needed during construction. This is how planning turns into safer, more effective work zones. The safest work zones are not created in the field. They are designed and prepared long before the first cone is placed. The Work Zone Safety and Mobility Rule provides a framework that helps agencies and project teams plan ahead, manage traffic impacts, and improve safety for both workers and the traveling public.